How to set iTunes and App Store to always require or don't require password for additional purchases on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on FaceTime. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. In here, we go down and in the Require Password section, you can choose Always Require or Don't Require. Here, it said that require a password for additional purchases after making a purchase with your iCloud account from the iTunes, Book, and App Store. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.